Section breaks. A section break tells Word to isolate the formatting of each section in a document from the formatting of the section that comes after it. In this screencast, I will demonstrate how to insert section breaks, the different types of breaks and when to use them, and the end result of applying section breaks in the document. This demonstration is for any Word user who creates documents with multiple sections. Types of section breaks. The type of section break you need depends on the layout of your document and where you want sections to start and finish. Your document may have single-sided or double-sided pages. For double-sided documents, it makes a difference if a section starts on an odd or even numbered page. For single-sided documents, it doesn't matter. Let's try inserting some section breaks into this demonstration document. This document is double-sided and contains 6 sections: a title page, a dedication page, a table of contents, and 3 chapters. First, let's insert a break between the title page and the dedication page. First, we will place a cursor at the beginning of where the section is going to begin. To open the section breaks, go to the Layout tab. Open the Layout tab, and in the Page Setup group is Breaks. From the drop-down, the Section Breaks section is below. Now I want the dedication to appear on the reverse of the title page. In a facing page layout, the reader will then see it on the left-hand page. To do this, let's select the Next Page break. And there it is on the next page. Next, I want the Table of Contents section to be separated and start on an odd-numbered page. To do this, select the Table of Contents, go to Breaks, and this time we will select the Odd Page break. Finally, we want all the chapters to be starting on a right-hand page, an odd-numbered page. So we go to the beginning of each, place the cursor, Breaks, Odd Page. Go to the next chapter, the green chapter, Odd Page, and finally, the last chapter, the blue chapter, Odd Page break. Now we're done. To see the results of applying these section breaks, we have to go into Print Preview. Go to Print Preview. We'll start at 1. There's the title page. Remember, we wanted the next one to be on the next page, the reverse, and there's the dedication page on the left. Contents starting on the right. And here you can see the blank page that Word automatically inserted to separate that so that the beginning of the next chapter starts on the right-hand facing page, the odd page. And this is how it goes for the rest of the document. There's the beginning of the second chapter and the beginning of the third, all on the right-facing odd page. And that is basic pages in that's basic section breaks in a Word document.